Hello, I'm Jessica Gill, and I am your child's 6th grade reading teacher. This is my 12th year in the classroom, my 3rd year here at Woodgate Intermediate. Some things about me is that I have 4 children. They are all 20 and older. We have, all 4 of our children have come through the Midway system. Each of them have been on this campus as students as well. So we have been in the Midway for quite some time. My husband even graduated Midway, and so we are very proud parents of some Midway grads as well. Let's see, a fun fact about myself is that I love to spend my weekends camping, hiking, backpacking, just being out in the outdoors. That is one thing I love about me. So enough about me. So let's talk about your student and how they can be successful and what to expect throughout our school year. The focus of our curriculum is to analyze text. We will be analyzing a variety of texts, such as doing novel studies, magazine articles, digital media. We'll do some poetry, some nonfiction, all sorts of different types of text. And our goal is to analyze and really understand and comprehend those as well. In order for your student to be successful in my classroom this school year, they definitely need to be familiarized with Schoology. They need to make sure that they pay attention to due dates and make sure that they are checking their emails every day. These are some must things that your student should be doing to be successful. You as a parent, the way that you as a parent can help your student to be successful is to make sure that you have your own login to Home Access Center. Make sure that you are familiarized with Schoology. Your student can show you how to get into Schoology, what to expect, and those kinds of things. Familiarize yourself with Schoology as well. And last, of course, the way that you can help your student is to encourage them to read every single day, at least 15 minutes every day. It's a great way to end your day as well, kind of a nice stress reliever. One of the things that you can that I promise to do with your student is to help to promote the love of reading in this class. They may not enjoy everything that we read, but I hope that they would develop a love for reading outside of a classroom. And that is my promise to you, is to promote that desire. The best way to reach me is through the email here at school. Please allow 24 hours for a response. We are very busy, as you are as well, and we do get lots of emails, so please allow that 24 hours for that. And lastly, my conference period is from 2:50 to 3:50, Wednesday through Friday. I am available at those times on those days. Thank you. I enjoy having your student in class, and I am looking forward to a great year. If you need anything, please do not hesitate to email and to get in contact with me. Thanks. Have a great day.